Hi everyone, it's Danny and welcome to my channel. If you want to see how I created this cute blushing hearts look, then keep watching. So first, I'm gonna start applying my foundation. Usually, I like to use my fingers to apply dots across my face for an even application. With a damp beauty blender, I'm going to blend the foundation. Then I use concealer to hide my dark circles and brighten my under eye area. I also applied concealer to my T-zone area, my nose bridge, and near my nostrils. Then I blend the concealer with the beauty blender. I then set my face with pressed powder using the Real Techniques powder brush. With a spoolie, I'm going to brush my brow hairs upwards. With black eyeshadow and an angled brush, I'll then start filling in my brows with light strokes. With concealer and a flat concealer brush, I'll start carving out my brows. After I carved out my brows, I blended out the concealer with a Q-tip. I then primed my lids with eyeshadow primer.
시끄럽죠 다 성가시죠 집에 가고 싶죠 집에 있는데도 집에 가고 싶을 거야
With a flat eyeshadow brush, I'm going to take Peaches and Cream from the Too Faced Peach palette and set my lids. With a crease brush, I'm going to apply Puree from the Peach palette and apply on my crease and outer V.
칭찬해줄게요 보고 싶어 많이 좋아해요 더 많이 안아주고 싶어요 사랑 비슷한 걸 해요
I then applied red eyeshadow on the lower half of my lid and tried building up the color.
배고플 땐 이 노래를 아침 사과처럼
Then I blended my crease with a blending brush.
아침 점심 밥 좀 챙겨 먹어요 그러면 이따 밤에 잠도 잘 올 거예요
With a flat eyeshadow brush, I took a combo of Luscious and Bellini from the Peach palette and applied it on the inner half of my lids.
잡아서 yeah.
I took Sweet from the Morphe Day Slayer palette and created a smoky wing on the outer half of my lids.
알아봐줘요
I then curled my lashes with a Revlon eyelash curler.
울지마 이미 지난 일이야
I coated my lashes with L'Oreal's Lash Paradise Mascara.
점일 뿐이야 살아가면서 누구나 겪는 일이야 어른이 되는 단지 과정일 뿐이야 단지 과정
With gel liner, I drew wings on my lids.
말아요 끝이라는 얘기 나는 항상 시작인 거요 그댈 사랑하는 마음 점점 커져가고 있는 날 잘 알잖아요 네가 밟고 걷는
I then applied some falsies.
잠시라도 네 입술을 따뜻하게
These lashes were in the style Opulent from the brand Eylure.
되고 싶던 난 아직 사랑해 나를 많이 알잖아요
Back with a red eyeshadow, I then applied it on my lower lash line.
버렸다는 걸 혼자 울며가는 나를 모르나요 그러니 제발 이러지 마요 그래 어느 하늘 아래 안에 작은 내 사랑 이제 나의 사랑한단 말도 의미도 잠시
I then took Sweet and applied it on the corner of my lower lash line to create depth.
우리 I know 이제는 돌리지 못할 거란 girl you know 아니 너를 사랑한단 걸 오래전 노래처럼
Using my pinky, I applied luscious on my inner corners.
나의 사랑은 이래
Back with a red eyeshadow, I heavily applied horizontally across my cheeks and my nose to create that very flushed, blushing look.
난 하지만 행복해 나같이 나쁜 남자를 만나 힘들었던 그만큼 널 아껴줄 자상하고 부드럽고 따뜻한 그런 남자였으면 좋겠어
I then applied a pale pink or champagne colored highlighter on my cheekbones, my brow bones, the tip and the bridge of my nose.
떠나지 말아요 나는 죽을지도 몰라요
이대로 행복한 걸요 모르겠나요 아무것도 바라지 않아
With the red eyeshadow, I took a Q-tip and drew little hearts on my cheeks. For the lips, I first took a bright nude pink lipstick and started dabbing across my lips. I dabbed a little bit on the outside of my lips to create a full but natural look. After I've created an outline by dabbing, I then swiped the rest of the product onto my lips to build color. Then I blotted the extra product off my lips. I then mixed the colors by dabbing a little bit of a darker nude pink onto my lips. Again, blot any excess products off. For the last step, I then set my lips with loose powder. And here's the final look.
Wanna be loved, don't wanna be fool, wanna be cool, wanna be loved. 너와의 same love, baby I want it.
Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in future videos.